So yeah, I'm discussing a very important topic called how to post your content on Instagrams. So a lot of people will be confused for how to post on your to using Instagrams. First of all, Instagram desktop post will be not available for this Instagram. So here, just you can log in this account here. First of all, I'm logging this account. Anyone log in that. Suppose we can post anything on my Instagram. See, any options are available here. No option will be there into this option. Yes or no? No option. That is called, we can use option call is Chrome extension. Please write on toolbar desktop for Instagram. You can, this is called browser extension toolbar here. Just once install this option, add to Chrome. Just once install this option, desktop for Instagram. This is purpose only for upload photographs, not for videos. A desktop videos are not applicable, only for photographs. The app name write down desktop for Instagram. Once install this option, the app will be like this. See this here, desktop for Instagram. Now just click here, they will be open like this. Is it clear? Now, if you post anything on your here, just select here, photograph. Now, just on your go to folder, select your any option here. Select your image, see the screen. After that, select this option. Is clear? Zoom, zoom in, zoom out options. Rotate your images. Then, after that, click for next. Write down. Movie news. Movie reviews. Videos. Comedy videos. Will go option call is or copy here and paste this. Click for share. So the data will be going to share here. Then see here. They're going to icons. This is called your website link. Is it clear? You can share any content using this option. Which one? Desktop for Instagram. You can share any content on this one. Here one drawback is there. We can't share any videos on this option. Only photograph we can sharing on this option here. Now select this one here. So I can add this logo. Zoom in, zoom out. This option. Select next. News. Jobs. Health tips. You can go with the website call is South News. Click for share. Clear? Any data we can share using for desktop. Here, if you go to the Instagram.com, any postings are available here? We can't. Just for sharing here. Refresh. So what update we're getting from here, along with the hashtag and the website URL. Here, Instagram and drawback is there. Hyperlinks are not working for Instagram. Remember, Instagram they're not showing for hyperlinks. This is called you can update on your images using desktop, updating for data on image on your Instagram for desktop version.